yeah, I have my hair like it's mostly dry but it's wet as well. So I just washed it because I want to, as I said in the intro, we're trying out this. But I kind of got gifted this from Plavogue, trying this out. It's the one-step hair dryer and I've got mine in white gold. So as I said, my hair's wet so we can try this out because it's meant to be a hair dryer, straightener, brush and curler in one. So I thought we'd give it a go. And even though they sent it to me, this is still my own opinion. You'll be able to see if I don't like it as well. But I'm also scared of this because what if it gets stuck in my hair? So before I had the round brush and I was doing, you know, that thing that's meant to make your hair nice, and it got stuck in my hair. So I'm scared that's going to happen. But we shall see. So let's open it.
So opening the box up, it's a really nice box. It has this little flippy bit and it's very well protected and secure in there, and it comes in plastic to protect the head. It's very big, mind you, and it came with a face mask, and it's got little diamantes on with their name on, and it came with a adapter because it's an American or a European plug socket, so that's really good.
I'm just going to brush through my hair because my hair gets really knotty. So I won't say I have thick hair, I just have a lot of hair to deal with. And I'm going to put some conditioning and contangling spray into the bottom of my hair, just because the bottoms have dried a bit. And it smells really nice. So then I'm going to take some of the L'Oreal LV the Dream Length No Haircut Cream. So it's like a leave-in conditioner-ish, but it has heat protection in it. So I'll just take a little bit of it and rub it between my fingers and just work it through my hair, just like so. So you don't want your hair soaking wet with this, you just want it damp. So like 75% dry and 25% wet. Did I just say that right? That's a really dumb thing. So going through everything that's on this one, you have, so it says you have a cool tip so you can touch this bit when it's hot and you won't get a clog. So it's meant to have cremated bandless. So it has the little, so it has two different types of brushes. So it has like this soft bristle brush and then it has like the cone bristle brush. I don't know if you can see that. The bits on the side have that, and then it's actually like an oval shape. So it should give you lots of volume when you're like going through it. And it's meant to be have a tangle-free bristle, and it looks like it goes through my hair nicely. It's not heavy at all. So it has 3 different settings for heat. It also has a high temperature setting, and it has cool, hot and hot, extra hot, but it says hot plus. So white and gold, they did have black and pink, but I like the white and gold better. And it has like a matte handle, because sometimes when you have product, like you put product in your hair, it can make this bit slippery. This won't slip. Also has a spinny, what is this bit called? A swervy cord. So that's good as well. So let's focus in now. Horrible. So I'm just going to go from my ears around and separate that bit off and this bit up. This big clip, really. I'll turn it on so you can hear it once and then I'll speed this bit up. I'll do it once and then show you. So that's after one bit. it's completely dry. And it took me what? I'm gonna record that. I'm gonna time how long it takes me to do my whole head, just so you can see how long it would take if it's quicker or slower. And then do another one, like doing blow drying, and then the, like, you know, with the straighten going, straightening it and thingying it, or just doing blow dry. That's what you do. So I'm gonna start in, and it's not very loud. It's got hot. I wouldn't recommend touching this bit, but I feel like it would get really hot, so be careful with that. So I'm just going to go finish off this layer and then I'll come back. It gets very hot, very hot, so be careful with that. If you had thinner hair, I won't recommend going to hot fluff. I would say hot or even cool, because cool is not that cool either. So what I was doing is I was going into the hair and then twisting it when I got to the bottom, just so it had like a bevel at the bottom. As you can see, I just took that one out really now, but it dried really quickly and it's really smooth and shiny. I don't know if you can actually see, because my hair's needs a cut, but I don't know if you can see. And it was really quick, I just did that twice. I did it more than twice just because I was trying to get the ends really curl up. I want them really curly. I also did it like as a brush as well on the back, just in case, just to get like that bit super straight as well, and that was easy to do as well. I wouldn't say you need the glue up with it, but it does get hot. And also, I never really do anything to my hair. You'll probably see from my videos, I always have another one, but this is really easy. Like just doing that, it only took me a minute, and it probably could have been quicker than that. So yes, I think it's very good so far, but I'm going to do the rest and come back to you. I think it's super smooth. It's really soft to touch as well. I don't know if you can see it, but it just looks. So I haven't gone for like really voluminous on this. So soft. Now the curls have gone like that for some reason, but I think that's the way I did it, because I split all my hair over and did it with that as well, just because that's the way I do it. But I think the more you use it, the easier it gets with like. But overall, I really like it. It was really quick. Oh, let me turn the timer on. Okay, so I'm gonna say it was 6 minutes, because I left it on while I was talking, but I don't know if you can see, like 6 minutes 35 seconds. See? That's how long it took me to do the whole of my hair, and I have lots of hair. And it's all completely dry. And it's like, look at that. Is that not pretty? Overall, I think this is definitely worth it. It's so quick. And like, really, it looks like I've just straightened and blow dried my hair in one. I'm gonna have a play around with like curling it with it another time and see how that works, and I'll let you know in the comments below. But overall, I think this is definitely worth it, especially if you're someone like me. Especially if you're someone like me who doesn't like doing much to their hair and like doesn't really know how much what to do with their hair. And this is super easy. Very pretty. It looks like it's been like just come out of the hairdresser's bun. But however, I should warn you, it does get hot, like really hot. So maybe, as I said, with the thinner hair, maybe do low or corn V length. Because corn is still quite warm. I'm just doing up my buttons there. But yes, I definitely recommend it. So that's the finished hair. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. And I'll see you next time. Bye!